Good day everyone, this is report of Group 4. We're talking about BDO Unibank. Commonly known as the BDO is the largest bank in the Philippines. Headquartered in Makati City, it was founded in the 1968 as Acme Savings Bank and has since grown into a leading provider of banking financial service in the country. Unibank. BDO started in 1976 when acquired by the SM Group and renamed Banco de Oro. It became a commercial bank in 1994 and later a universal bank in 1996. In 2007, it merged with Equator PCI Bank and became BDO Unibank, which is now the largest bank in the Philippines. BDO currently operates 1,791 branches and over 4,923 ATMs and machines, both domestic and international. It also has 14 overseas remittance offices, including Hong Kong and Singapore. In latest financial performance, BDO recorded an interest income of 72.26 billion, showing how much the bank earned mainly from loans and other interest-based service. On the other hand, its interest expense reached 21.88 billion, which reflect the cost of deposits and borrowings. Aside from this, the bank also gained 21.59 billion from non-interest income, which comes from services such as fees, commissions, and remittance. Overall, BDO achieved a net income of 39.20 billion, providing strong profitability despite economic challenge. Its total revenue climbed to 366.43 billion, representing a 13.47% year-on-year growth, which highlights the bank's continuous expansion and strong position as the country's largest bank. BDO used a statement of comprehensive income or income statement to show revenues, expense, and profit. This report is released quarterly and annually to keep track of the bank our financial performance. The financial statement is mainly show income and expense. Income comes from interest like loans and deposits, and non-interest such as fees, commission, insurance, and investment. On the other hand, expense include interest expense from deposits and borrowings, loan loss provisions for bad loans, and other operating expense.